Recently, a rally was held in Bhota where prominent leaders like Anurag Thakur and MLA Inderjeet from Bursar were present. The leaders were welcomed with great enthusiasm, which reflects the strong support of the party in the region. The event was attended by approximately 5,000 dedicated members of the Bharatiya Janata Party, who had travelled from their respective booths in Bursar and Boranj. Each participant was registered at the entrance, ensuring a well-organized event.
देखिए लोगों के लिए सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी आज के समय में युवाओं को रोजगार देना, महिलाओं को स्वावलंबी बनाना और जो हमारे बुजुर्ग हैं उनकी देखभाल करना, स्वास्थ्य के क्षेत्र में और अधिक सुदृढ़ करना स्वास्थ्य के संस्थानों को, ये प्राथमिकता रहेगी। और ग्रामीण क्षेत्र में युवाओं को कैसे कृषि के साथ जोड़ा जाए वो प्राथमिकता रहेगी। और रूरल जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है उसके ऊपर देश की सरकार जो विशेष रूप से ध्यान देगी, ये ऐसी ऐसी योजनाएं हैं।
During the gathering, party leaders took to the stage to emphasize their contributions to the nation through various schemes such as the Ayushman Bharat scheme, Skill India Mission, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, and many more. Enthusiasm was palpable among the masses as slogans echoed through the air, and they listened with unwavering faith in the party's leadership and PM Modi's vision. The presence of Yuva Morcha added a dynamic energy to the gathering, symbolizing the party's commitment to engage the youth in nation building.
देखो, एक देश एक ही कानून होना चाहिए सबको, बेशक कोई मुसलमान है, हिंदू है, सबके लिए एक जैसा कानून होना चाहिए। समझे ना? अगर शादी हम लोग एक शादी करते हैं, संतुष्टि हमें सब ऐसा ही है, तो उनका भी ऐसा ही होगा। वो दूसरा खून थोड़ा उनमें, उनके लिए वही कानून होना चाहिए।
At the peak of the rally, the leaders emphasized that the sole purpose of the BJP is the welfare of India. They spoke of a future forged by the hands of people for the people. With the general election approaching, the BJP's determination is unwavering, strengthened by the decade of governance that has gained widespread support and the possibility of a historic third term.
अभी बीजेपी जो है पूरे बहुमत के साथ यहाँ पर भारी मतों से जीतेगी, क्योंकि प्रदेश सरकार का जो है पिछले 1.5 साल का जो कार्यकाल है बहुत ही निराशाजनक रहा है और जनता में बहुत आक्रोश है, खासकर युवाओं में बहुत रोष है, महिलाओं में बहुत ज्यादा रोष है।
BJP has started its preparation for general election with full force, and they believe that they will win the general election with complete majority. And this confidence of theirs is fueled by the craze and fan flowing of PM Modi ji among masses. But only the time will tell what the results will be. I, Akhil Thakur, cameraman Nikhil Thakur for Chitkara News.